In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a screenshot in BlueStacks. We will walk through the process together so you can capture anything on your BlueStacks screen without confusion. First, open BlueStacks. If it is already running, bring its window to the front so it is the active application. When BlueStacks is open, you should see the main interface with your installed apps in the center and a vertical toolbar along the right edge. Take a second to confirm that you actually see that tall toolbar on the right side because we will use it very soon. Next, go to the screen you want to capture. This could be the home screen of BlueStacks, a game, a social media app, or any other Android app running inside BlueStacks. Use your mouse to click and open the app you want, then navigate to the exact view you want saved, such as a specific chat, a game scene, or a settings page. Give the screen a moment to fully load so that all text and images are clear and not blurry. At this point, what you see in the BlueStacks window is exactly what will appear in your screenshot, including any visible buttons, notifications, or status bars, so adjust things until it looks right. Once you have the right screen showing, click the screenshot icon on the right side toolbar. Look for the small camera symbol on that vertical bar, usually somewhere near the middle, and move your mouse over it. When you hover your mouse, you might see a short tooltip saying Screenshot, which confirms you have the correct icon. Then click once with the left mouse button. Many people accidentally double-click or click another icon nearby, so move your mouse carefully and make sure you are pressing directly on the camera symbol. Right after you click, BlueStacks briefly freezes the visual for a moment while it captures your screen, so a tiny pause is normal. After that, the screenshot will be saved automatically. You do not need to press any confirm button or choose a folder at this point. BlueStacks handles the saving in the background and usually shows a small confirmation near the bottom or top of the window telling you that the screenshot has been saved. On most setups, BlueStacks stores these screenshots in its default media or pictures folder on your computer, so you can open your file explorer later and view or share them like any other image. A helpful detail is that each screenshot is saved at the same resolution as your BlueStacks window, so if you need a sharper image next time, you can make the BlueStacks window larger before capturing. You have just learned how to capture a screenshot in BlueStacks and where that image goes on your computer. If this walkthrough helped you grab the exact screen you needed, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more BlueStacks tips.